Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're using ChatGPT to create a personalized FIFA World Cup soccer playing card. First, we're just going to grab a picture, any picture that you'd like, because this is going to be personalized to you. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and copy this image, and I'm going to go into ChatGPT and paste it. And now I've created a prompt which you could use and customize it to your needs. Things that are highlighted in yellow specifically, you can go ahead and change, or anything about this prompt can be changed. We will go ahead and copy the prompt over to ChatGPT and paste it. The prompt reads a FIFA World Cup style soccer player card featuring a full body portrait of a soccer player in a Canada national team uniform. The player is standing in a dynamic athletic pose holding a soccer ball at their feet. The player wears a modern candid jersey, soccer cleats, and socks. The card design is glossy, premium, and collectible with gold and burgundy accents, dramatic lighting, and stadium-inspired background. And for me, I'd like to not include the stats, but you could always change that. So do not include stats. Include the name Liliane, ultra detailed, cinematic, realistic sports trading card. The dimensions of the card should be 2.5 inches by 3.5 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and send the prompt over to ChatGPT. It will take a few seconds to create this image. And here is our personalized soccer trading card. You could always add to this image. So for example, I could add the Instagram handle if you want to make it a tradable card. So we'll add the Instagram logo and the Instagram handle. In a few seconds, I'll go ahead and add that. You could always change the image as well. And there it is. We've added the Instagram handle. Give it a try. Add your picture and use the prompt that I've created, which will be added to the description below, and have fun creating the FIFA World Cup style trading card. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.